Well, we're still in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we're at the Petroglyphs National Park, and we're going to get our hike on, and we're going to have some guest stars with us. You remember Kaysen, of course. Kaysen's going to be with us, as well as his little sister Finley, mom and dad Chris and Shanda, and Shanda's dad Gary, and his wife Mary. So we are currently standing at the start of the trailhead to hike it. They are on their way, just leaving the house about 12 to 15 miles away, so they ought to be here within an hour. So, but anyways, I don't know how much video we're going to get and what it's going to look like, but we thought we'd go ahead and do this because we're going to run out of material here shortly. So if you want to hike along with us, come on along. If not, you just sit there and watch it, all right? We'll see you later. Bye. That's where we're going to go. And with this COVID-19 crisis, they put out toilet paper. But they found a way to keep it secure. They also have some cleansing wipes over here, which is a good thing.
You think?
What the hell?
Slide, I can always put it on. If you want to just go shirtless, start there and then it'll add on. Yeah, and add on.
Somebody missed their turn?
Were you like calling me?
I was
No, they said, "Oh, Tom and Patty are there."
Yeah. Hey, bud.
How's it going, guys?
Good.
I went right past it. I was expecting to see the cars parked out there with the gate closed, but
Well,
they opened the gate.
No, the gates are open, so.
I hate to warn you this, Harry, but you're going to be on YouTube unless you don't want to.
No, I'm good.
They just had Cuomo talking. That's the smartest I've heard that guy talk in years.
I don't even want to hear them.
Yeah.
At least he
Such
was
an idiot.
He sounded
Uh-oh.
like a genius all of a sudden.
Uh-oh. Here comes Fish Boy.
He was praising Trump.
No.
What a sweet
He's
pup.
got the COVID or
Your
what?
travel partner?
You might.
Awesome.
Armora.
You might. Hi, Mary.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, we.
after she comes.
Yeah, Shanda sneezed a while ago, and I said,
Oh,
Yep.
get her out of the car.
Here comes Shirley.
Charlie! What are you doing, Charlie? I got puppy kisses yesterday. Hey!
Then put your jacket on. Put your coat on. Put your jacket on, baby.
Jacket! Jacket! Brrr!
Charlie,
Charlie,
come here.
Billy, say hi to YouTube.
Tom's got an episode going.
Mickey Motorhome
It's,
memories.
There you go.
They couldn't close. There's the city.
Hey, Finley, you riding a horse? Folks, I got to tell you, the view up here is spectacular. I can't wait till we get up to the top of the volcano.
I don't know what it is.
Probably big. That's got to be a little big.
And as you can see, Kason is getting his exercise. He's running ahead. Son of a gun. Okay, so us older people are the last one up here, but that's okay.
I'm the older person that had diaphragm surgery.
And the other people are right up here. This is the backside of it, folks. There's the parking area that we started at, right there. We'll be going back there. And if you notice, yep, there is a trail. If you notice up here, let me see, up there, there's snow on top of those mountains. That, folks, is a genuine tumbleweed. Now come on, I just got this on. I want to see those move here. So do my viewers. Here we go. Here we go. Folks, we don't know who that guy is up there in that gray hoodie. As is always the case when you're hiking with a group. Some take off, and some are bringing up the rear. So, we'll keep it right here for a minute. And she rounds the corner. And of course, little Finley is starting to get heavy for her dad. Well, she won't allow anybody else to carry her. What a beautiful hike we've had. We still got better than a mile to go. As they show up, there's another volcano right here. There are people about halfway up it right now. And And that's supposed to be a pretty steep and strenuous climb, so we decided not to do it. But somebody's getting a workout right here. Carrying her like a sack of potatoes.
Yeah, Chris has the key. I gotta get it. No, oh, it wasn't? Oh, maybe he already unlocked it. There's one on the other side. Mary, there's another one. Other side.
Here we go, folks. We made it back. The young ones all just jumped right in the car. They must be cold or tired. What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh.
Tired, maybe?
All right. So, like I say, we're back. I thought it was a good walk. Didn't you?
I thought it was a great walk.
What do you think, Chris?
It's good. Nice.
Chris got more exercise because he carried Finley about 3/4 of the way or half the way.
Mary, do you need some water? I've got some. Oh, thank you.
Okay. What'd you think? What do you think of the hike?
Oh, beautiful.
It was gorgeous,
Perfect
wasn't it?
weather, windy on the top.
Yep.
Calm on the bottom.
Very good. He's got some great dance moves too, and I got a little bit of video. So there we go.
Yeah, it was a good day. We were going to do this yesterday, but it was so.
It was really windy yesterday. So, okay, folks, that's good. We're going to wrap it up. Everybody here is kind of anxious to get going. If I know this bunch, we're probably into going someplace for food, and then maybe not. I don't know. But anyways,
Any place for
we'll see you in the next video.
everything's
Say
closed.
goodbye.
Bye.